Hello Mama. Today we are talking about how to increase breast milk while using a breast pump. The first and most important step is to pump frequently. Try to pump every 2 to 3 hours during the day, and at least once during the night. Milk production works on demand. The more often milk is removed, the more your body is signaled to produce. Next, always begin your pumping session using fast and gentle suction for stimulation. Once milk begins to flow, switch to slower, deeper suction. This pattern imitates how a baby feeds and helps your breasts release more milk efficiently. Adding one power pumping session each day can make a big difference. Pump for 20 minutes, rest for 10, pump for 10, rest for 10, then pump for another 10 minutes. This routine sends a strong signal to your body to increase production within a few days. Stay hydrated by drinking water regularly and eat balanced meals that include protein, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Your body needs fuel to make milk. Finally, stay relaxed while pumping. Use gentle massage and deep breathing to help your milk flow more easily. Consistency is the key. With patience and regular pumping, your supply will grow.